Discover a world of difference at Floorworld. We're the friendly experts in the industry with decades of combined experience. No matter where you are in Australia, you're sure to find a store near you with 38 sites nationwide. We offer more than just flooring and pride ourselves on our solid and trustworthy advice. We invest in you by providing a huge range of products at affordable prices. Our locally owned and operated stores are flooring wonderlands, where you can experience a world of choice from some of the biggest brands. Embrace modern innovation with the latest in contemporary designs and stunning textures. There are also plenty of classic traditional styles that make any room feel warm and inviting. Choose from an array of natural wool carpets, still the most popular trend on the market. Or take advantage of the technological advances in synthetics, like the new range of resilient Tri-Extra carpet, made from renewable sources. Meanwhile, timber look options have come a long way. You'll be impressed by the new breed of luxury laminates that offer an authentic, high-end look. You can't go past tried and true contemporary vinyl for durability and comfort. True innovation is found in waterproof hybrid planks, which offer stability and convenience in a great-looking, hard-wearing surface. And if you like to embrace a natural look, we have beautiful bamboo floors that are a stunning, sustainable choice. Or invest in striking true timber for authentic wood flooring that lasts a lifetime. We champion Australian-made products and take pride in supporting local industries so we can do our bit for the national economy. We love to connect to our community. Our school sponsorship program offers grants to local schools to help with essential equipment and facilities. And we're proud to partner with the Pancare Foundation. Skip the stress in deciding on the best look for your home. Our personal in-store service is tailored to your needs and budget. Or you can take advantage of our online flooring consultation system from the comfort of your couch. Plus, we're now providing our customers the convenience of shopping online for an array of quality home furnishings. Talk to one of our flooring experts or find out about the latest in flooring trends and innovation through our ebooks. We'll help you create your dream home. It all comes together at Floorworld.